This video was made especially for Healthy Goals Wednesdays, which is hosted by Gail over at Gail's Southern Living and Heather over at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. I hope you enjoy it. I'm vegan and allergic to eggs, so this is what I use instead of meal. Okay, you can use any white bean. Today I happen to have Lima beans that I drained and rinsed. And we need a cup and a half. We're going to add a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of real lemon, a half teaspoon of salt, and we'll start with a tablespoon of water, but we'll see how creamy it is. I've never used lima beans before. Scrape down the sides a little bit. Kind of smells like mayo. Kind of tastes like mayo. It's a little thick. Let's give it another tablespoon of water. See if that helps. Not as creamy as I would like. Still smells like mayo though. Nice and thick. It's a little thick. Let's give it another tablespoon of water. See if that helps. Now let's get another tablespoon of water. It's a little thick. Let's give it another tablespoon of water. See if that helps. Well, the blender says it's done, so I guess it's done. Oh, that is nice and creamy. That 3 tablespoons seem to do the trick for that. Now I'll just scrape it into a bowl. And I'll use it instead of mayo in salads and on sandwiches.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.